In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your voice chat and mic not working on your PS5 on Fortnite. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But there's a few different things you're going to want to go ahead and do. Firstly, on your PS5 controller, make sure this button on the bottom isn't on. If it's yellow, that means your microphone is muted, and no matter what game you're on, even if you have, voice chat on right there, it's not going to be working properly. Now, the next thing I want to do is go ahead and press my PlayStation button, go over to the right, and when I go to sound, I want to make sure the output device is not like a headset. Like, let's say there's a Bluetooth device that's connected. I want to make sure that it's on the right device. So if I want to, play it through a TV, I want to make sure that's what it is. So then you can also change the volume from here as well. And then you want to make sure that mute game voice chat is not enabled. Now, what I want to do now is on the top right, I'm going to see the profile icon. So go ahead and click on that. Then I want to go over to settings like so. Go over to the audio tab. And then what you can do is also go to the voice chat tab and then make sure it's on everybody. Make sure if you want to have your mic on open mic, you want to make sure it's on that as well. Or you can have it on push to talk as long as your push to talk bind. And then after that, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.